Remember, we're at the riverside.
Go. I think we're here. Yes. Anyone else? Anyone else?
Best weekend ever.
Say something in Swahili so we look cultural.
Missouri Sana. Kabisa. Volcano. Caribou Steep
Volcano-y. We're about 5 minutes from the campsite, our home for the next 2 nights.
It's like what they say on Kili though.
How are you feeling?
Really hot and tired of being in a car.
But in great spirits overall.
Great spirits, my goodness. Cannot
And
wait
who's
to
the
climb
handsome man
mountain.
sitting next to you?
This is Frank, our trusty driver.
How are you feeling at the moment?
We've had quite a long journey. We've seen some great animals though. It's been pretty spectacular.
Beef.
It's like David Attenborough all over again with you, George. For example, the one just up the road.
Beer.
We've had some beer.
Chipsy.
And please tell us, what's going on over in that truck?
Beer.
Awesome. General good look at this.
Can't decide whether they're sunburnt or just been drinking so much.
Well, the left side of me is sunburnt, the right side's been drinking too much.
So, please tell me, what is that behind you? Other side.
Sarah!
It's a big old volcano.
It's what's called CM.
This is the beauty that we will be
CV.
climbing tonight.
And how do you think we'll go?
Well,
Missouri
steeper than
Sana.
first expected, but I'm positive there's going to be great outcomes all round.
It's a shame Matt's sitting right in front of it. Get bright impression.
I can do all the animals.
Oh!
So which one you want now? We have already.
I think I want to
we have
use
already
zebra.
zebra. So you want another one?
Yeah?
Okay.
Like what? Like a lion?
Wildebeest.
Yeah.
Yeah,
Lion?
Lion.
Lion.
Well done.
What did you say?
You get it? Oh, that is the lion. You want
you
the
say-
hyena?
Hyena.
Yeah, hyena.
Ooh. 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 And this is the way they laugh.
How are you feeling about tonight?
I am feeling quite positive. I'm feeling like I'm going to get no sleep. Going to climax, as Joe would say, that volcano.
I wish I could say that everyone was wrong. It must feel good to stand above me while I make you so proud of me. It must feel good that I'm now gone. I wish I could say that everyone was wrong. Just stop. There's nothing you can do or say, baby. I've had enough. I'm not your problem.
Oh wait, did we lose Sarah on the volcano maybe?
Yeah, she falls in.
You